The moment you open the bracket box, do you always find that the brackets have been displaced or lost their direction? Still annoyed by the brackets flying off your handle? Tired of altering the bracket's direction that might result in pollution of bracket base? Worry about the mess and unexpected impact during operation that makes the brackets scattered? OO Dental's bracket packaging is here to change the way you operate. Number 1, it's ready to help you adapt to any situation, as it can be attached to any surface of different materials, glass, stainless steel, wood, and even textile, thanks to a silicone substance on the bracket box. Number 2, we're also applying an innovative fixing design to fit each bracket so that you as a clinician will never worry that brackets come out of the fixing groove while facing great impact. Number 3, the fixing groove is based on universal curvature setting for different tweezers to clamp easily. Fixing groove has a built-in angulation of its bottom at 15 to 30 degrees to keep brackets tilted for observation and pickup. Number 4, with OO Dental's packaging, no more adjustment before placing the bracket on tooth. We've invested a lot of time and energy to make each bracket right in their mesiodistal direction. This means that you will save a great time for your clinical practice. All you need to do is to enjoy your great time on bonding.